is the center of the earth, in the middle of the universe. Then why is this verse coming 6 times rehearsed? Don't freestyle much, but I write it like such. Amongst the things controlled by the screens, what does it all mean? All this human beings screaming vocal javelins. What a wandering, got wondering, with crises and all this crisis. Hitting Satan never knew what nice is. Check the papers, what I thought on license. More than your eye can see and ears can hear. Year by year, all the search disappears. Nonsense perseveres, prayers links with fear. Beware, 2 triple A. It might feel good, it might sound a little something. But damn the game, if it don't mean nothing. What is game? Who got game? Where's the game? They like me behind the game, behind the game. I got game, she got game. You got game, they got game. We got game. It might feel good, it might sound a little something. But the game, if it ain't saying nothing. Taking them grants for the grant. Last I checked, pyramids